Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well. Through this video, we have brought 7 really interesting English tongue twisters for the beginners. It will definitely help you improve your pronunciation. I bet you won't be able to resist yourself from trying it. So without any delay, let us move to the world of tongue twisters.
She sells seashells by the seashore. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. Luke Luck likes lakes, Luke's duck likes lakes. Susie works in a shoeshine shop. Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? The sixth Sheikh's sixth sheep sick.
Thanks for watching.